Hi, my name is Lisa Martin, and I'm going to give you a quick tour of my website. I put together a place for parents and students to go to help them through the college application process. Um, First, there's a little bit about me. Then if you come over here to technology products, I have my personal learning network and my personal learning environment, which are ways that I connect with people and other resources. And down here, I have my table that talks about what a blog is, a curation, and a microblog. I did a review or reflection of a history blog called History Tech, and here's my review on that. And then I did a review on Diigo, which I completely love. It is my new best friend. I've been saving websites. If you want to know more about it, you can click on the review. And then Twitter, I reviewed one Twitter account. And again, you can click there to read the review. My educational app was Remind, and it is a platform that helps students succeed. It keeps teachers and students and parents connected. They can talk with each other in text, and they do not have to give out personal information. My website evaluation, I chose to do IXL, and for me, I thought it was a great idea. So if you want to know more about it, here it is. And then for my digital story, I talked about Thomas Edison and his life and some of his inventions, and then the legacy that he's left behind. Next time you turn on a light bulb, maybe it'll be an Edison light bulb. Now here's my resource page. This is the page where I have everything listed for applying to college or where people can start. And I have reference guides for 9th and 10th grade, 11th grade, and 12th grade. And it just gives them a link to a page that kind of tells them what they should start doing and kind of keeps them on track. And I also have one that gives general college information if you would like to know. Again, where to start, what's required for admissions. Also, on the resource page, I have a link to majors and careers, college entrance exams, how to register for them when they're given, register for a study session. Of course, the big one is paying for college. There's a link to student loans and federal aid. Volunteering in sports clubs talks about why it is important for the students to volunteer and be involved in extracurricular activities. And then the last section of my resources is essay and letter writing. Gives them some pointers as to how to write that perfect essay for their college application. Under volunteer opportunities, which is my personal pick, I have a selection of places that they can volunteer here locally in Naples to help them with their college application. Then down here, I have my blog, and on the blog, I talk about copyright and fair use do's and don'ts, and wikis, and then again, just a little bit about me. And I think that is it. So let me make sure. Yes. All right. Well, I've enjoyed the class. I've learned a lot, and I look forward to many more classes. Thank you.